red light runner, BMW douche. Hey, what? Hey. Why is everyone sucking? Red light run, that yellow, fast-looking car. I just have to comment on the dedication to the parking illegally over here. Like, could they spell it out any more with the big cones? But no, we gotta park. We have to park. Parking is our God-given right. Going slow. What? Hey, what are you doing? Are you that clueless? Come on. Yeah, of course. Meso left.
An elephant tusk. He's tusky. He's got a tusk. He's tusk.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
A lot of people think it's talking about
following too close to the truck and couldn't see the traffic light.
That's giving different masses particles over here than over there. Yeah. That'd be a mess up universe.
Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. Oops.
You done messed up, Aaron!
I wanted 590, not Winton. Wake up! That's exit dive-ish. Why not? Really, dude? That's no way to drive. You're exit diving behind. And that's no way to drive. Yeah, that's like driving like a douchebag there. Stop it! I never had dinner with the president. I never had dinner with the president. I never had dinner with the president. Why are you backing up? You could have went. That was strange.
Purity culture shame woven into it, and plus then you're developing as a young woman. So
red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
I don't know what you're talking about. Because people are sensitive, and this is just one more example of that. I think they're
no turn on red.
Patron over on patreon.com.
Such really Nissan driver.
Early access to an ad-free
Make me
version
brake
of every
slightly
show,
earlier than I
access
wanted
the
to. Stop it. Nissan drivers are the worst drivers in the world. Why are you going? It's still red. And why did I turn the camera off?
If you keep acting on it,
No, stop!
I want to stop it.
Yeah. So I go back to sex therapy training where
Red light run!
implicit model. So P
No stop. No stop. Again.
History of mankind. And they were all within 2. First, let's get to,
True though.
crazy. Craziest too, I can remember why. It captured everyone's imagination.
Yeah.
Now,
why are you getting all horny?
Saturday.
Really?
I had picked the stars all year, but of course that, and I have not seen someone do that since Garber saved the franchise from Penfield. Someone put the franchise.
I don't think you can turn left there.
Game 7.
Yeah, Macedon. All of a sudden.
Again, a third time. Freeman consented and severed a blood vessel, killing her, and that was actually the last transorbital lobotomy he performed.
No stop.
Those words were there. We.
Really? Yeah, get the frick out of the way. What are you doing? Kia, if we were in Rochester, I would assume it was stolen. Exit dive. You ain't gonna miss your exit, so you better dive right now. Oh, no. You're gonna miss your exit dive, so you better dive. Oh, exit regret. Oh, oh, oh. You could not read the signs.
Love the show.
Really, dude? Freaking fake Jeep thing.
The situation is what it is, she reminded herself of the...
No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be there. And it's for real because we're in I-90 in Victor, and there's signs everywhere that says no trucks in the left lane. Oh, look, we're about to pass one right now. You can't be there. You're not exactly passing that guy either, so I don't know what the point is. But he moved back over, so I guess you're okay now, I guess. Oh well, sucks to be you. You have to be in the video now. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!